messages is not sufficient. The Americans must be made to suffer. We must humiliate them.
You do not go far enough, General Amin. We must strip their entrails out and drag them from here to Damascus until they include us in the peace process.
No, nonsense. The solution is not bold enough for Libya. I say wipe out Washington and New York.
What? And spoil 3 years of good public relations? I have the Americans believing I am a nice guy. In some of their polls, I am more popular than their president.
Gentlemen, this is getting us nowhere. If we do nothing else this week, we must conceive at least one terrorist act that will show all the world that the United States, the great Satan, is but a paper tiger, a weak nation, of weak people, a people ripe for destruction, cowards no longer willing to fight.
I knew it.
I'm Lieutenant Frank Drebin, Police Squad. And don't ever let me catch you guys in America.